Okay, so in the last exercise, talked about stretching the life force out when you're driving, stretching the mental space out, and then using the life force as a sensitivity device. Now, this is a very interesting learning curve for that exercise, because to see anything, your light and energy needs to touch your eyes, your physical eyes. So light reflects off objects in your environment, and from that reflection it touches your physical eyes, and by touching your eyes you see. So there's contact between what you see and your physical organ of eyes, and that contact happens through light reflecting. Now with the life force and mind, when you touch something with your mind, with life force, there's contact. So now what I want you to do is to go up to a large tree like these trees here, move your hands, physically touch the tree, step back, then push the energy in and out of the tree so you have energetic contact, and then repeat the same exercise with your eyes. Breathe from your eyes with life force into the tree and out of the tree. So you have energetic contact with the tree. As you get energetic contact with the tree, your eyes are guiding it, and just look without looking. So look at the tree, breathe in and out of the tree with your eyes, moving life force in and out, and just slowly go peripherally so you're aware of that the tree is there, and you're using the will to move the energy, but you're also using peripheral focus. What this does is separates the layers of eye consciousness so that there's a slightly peripheral view of the tree, and it's through that layer you begin to see. Now we'll see more energy around the leaves and the trunk. So if you step back far enough to see the leaves of the tree and exchange energy, the radiance of the leaves, the static field, the cloudiness around the tree, all these layers start to reveal themselves. And as you develop a sense of these layers, you'll begin to find that how you tune your peripheral vision to control the energy generates the separation of the layers for you to see. And you'll begin to see more and more with this method. If your mind is too focused on focal vision as you extend the energy, the focal vision makes your mental space contract, and focal vision locks you in to the organ of the eyes in a very physical way. Peripheral vision opens you to the life force field and the spirit senses of how to see. So use peripheral vision, use your ability to feel energy, and feel with the eyes peripherally, and extend the energy that way, touching the object that you wish to see. So let's say you begin to get the haziness around the tree, you begin to get a sense of seeing the tree energetically. Now, as your mind touches what your perception is, unpack it. Separate more layers of that energy by relaxing and releasing it open through the life force so that those layers separate further. Then you begin to see more. So you can get a sense of seeing positively through releasing the eye consciousness, and you can get a sense of releasing quantitatively more energy through the eye consciousness to get better clairvoyance. So being in a high energy environment will automatically give you more potential for clairvoyance, because there's more energy there. The more volume of energy that goes through the eye consciousness, when they're open, the more you're going to see. So utilize as many of these different angles at the same time. When you become sensitive to vortexes, begin breathing into the vortex. Stand around it, push energy in and out of it with your hands and your eyes. Stand on it, and pull energy in and out. See which is better, standing in front of it or standing on it. and get a sense of what gives you the best experience for developing your clairvoyance. Okay, so have a play of that exercise. Share your results on the comments, and as you develop your skill with this, by sharing with other people who have a similar skill, you find resonant methods that you can discuss and unpack. And a lot of people are experiencing a skill where they're kind of experiencing it, but not quite. They know it because they're halfway there, it's just below the surface. And when they hear someone else say it, they go, oh, I can do that. I know that skill. I've done that, but not fully conscious of it. So as you share with other people that have resonance with the skill you're developing, it releases the unconscious to the surface to go, I can do that. I understand how to do that. I know that. And that shared resonance is like sharing a skill. Simply by talking about it, pointing at it, looking at the importance of sharing, of skill sharing, and then you go, okay, this is amazing to have people on the same path as you that are awakening the things that you're wanting to awaken, and just through pure resonance, your unconscious brings that tuning fork to the surface. You have an experience, and you start to get it. You start to wake up. So for those of you who already can do this, share it, and that'll help people who are on the way to getting it awaken their skill. So in this situation, pay it forward by sharing your experiences. Okay, folks, thanks for your time, and see you on the next video.